Okay, guys, today we're going to be going over writing inequalities from word problems. We did something very similar to this back when we had multiple representation, so our tables and graphs and word problems. So these words up here are really important so that you can figure out the correct symbol from your word problem. So the first one is less than here. So your keywords for less than could be is smaller than, is less than, below. Any of those words in a word problem would clue you that it's going to be the less than symbol. Greater than you may have is more than, is greater than, larger than, above. Any of those would be clues for greater than. Okay, less than or equal to, you would have maximum, maybe at most, not more than, is not greater than, because less than or equal to is saying that you have to have, if I said, you can only eat a maximum of 10 cookies. So you can eat 10 cookies or less. So that's why that would be less than or equal to. Greater than or equal to, you could have minimum, at least, is not less than, is not smaller than. So here, greater than or equal to, if I told you you need a minimum of a 70 on a test, that would mean that you need greater than or equal to a 70 in order to pass. Okay, or you're going to need more than 70 or 70 points to pass. Okay, so for all of these, what you're going to do is you're going to read the problem through, and then you'll look for these keywords within your problem. Okay. So number one says, the Kingsville High School Booster Club is sponsoring a car wash to earn money for new soccer uniforms. They've already raised $250. Each car wash is $3. How many cars will they have to collect more than $400? So immediately this more than here should clue you what symbol it's going to be. So I see more than, so I know that it's going to have to be the greater than symbol. Okay. Then it says each car wash is $3. How many cars? So my X in this case, X is the number of cars. Okay. And this is just like we've done before. You should write what each thing represents in the word problem. So $250 is how much they've already raised. Okay. And $3 is the cost per car wash. So if I know each of those things, well, then I know that my 3 and my X have to go together, which is really important that you can pick that out, which number your X goes with. So I know that 3 goes with X, okay? And it says they've already raised $250. So they're not trying to earn $250. They've already raised that much. They're trying to earn more than $400. So I know that the more than is going to have to go over here, okay? And if you've already raised $250, you're not going to subtract that. You're going to add it because they're adding that to how much they need total. So we're going to add 250. And this would be my inequality right here. So 3x plus 250 is greater than $400. So 3 times the cost of each car plus the $250 that they've already added needs to be more than $400. Okay? So that's how we would do number 1. Okay. Number 2 says, Cameron wants to purchase a new TV for $300 and some video games for $25 each. He cannot spend more than $450. Write an inequality for the maximum number of video games X that Cameron can purchase with his money. So on this one, we actually have a couple of clue words. So maximum here was on the list that I told you. And so was not more than, because you have not and more than all right here. Okay. So when I see those, I know that it's going to be a less than or equal to symbol. Okay. And then I'm going to finish this problem in the next video for y'all.